Let's take a look at the charts and see what's going on and analyze these, and maybe we can get some clues heading into next week. This is Mike, Tactical Stock Scalper. All right. First, we're going to look at SPY, the S&P, for people that own Jepy. Well, the last few days, as you see here, we have just consolidated. Haven't broken out, haven't broken down. Just consolidating. Now, again, is this just a consolidation through time, like we saw through here? Then we had a dynamic move. Consolidation through time through this period had a dynamic move. What's happening again? More consolidation. Rather interesting how the market elects not to pull back, but yet to consolidate and have a correction through time and then move up. Let's look at the weekly. Where are you, weekly chart? There you are. Weekly chart is extremely bullish on the S&P. As you see here, we're really far stretched away from any moving averages. The weekly chart is also showing some consolidation up there at the top. This week's candle is a doji, which means the market is undecided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in a row of going up, and not just going up, but going up from 410 all the way up to 470. Pretty incredible run we've been on. I've definitely been enjoying it. Let's look at the Qs. So as we go to the NASDAQ, we're going to go ahead and pull out a day. Again, more consolidation, right? It's not breaking down or breaking out. Can't really cross the 410 level, and hasn't broke below the 400 level. Last time we had a long period of consolidation, we had a very large move. Could this be could we have another week of consolidation next week, and then maybe after the new year, look for a dynamic move? Let's check out the weekly chart. Again, we have this touch off the 50-period moving average. We had a touch and a hold, and it rocketed up from there. The NASDAQ is just on a tear. It's created all-time new highs, which is great. We have a little double top forming. In order for the double top to come to fruition, we would need a leg down. So right now the double top is forming, but we can't really call it a double top until we get the leg down. Let's look at IWM and a Russell. What's this old thing been up to? This is interesting. This week, let's look at the daily time frame here. I found myself getting a little excited here, right? We started breaking above 200. We just couldn't close above it. So right now we are consolidating again. Look how we consolidated here on a Russell. Big move. Consolidated here on a Russell. Big move. Now what are we doing? Consolidating again. So are we going to, let's go out to the weekly. Is this just like any other time? And are we going to sell off from the 200 level and go all the way back down there to 170? Or are we consolidating for a big move to go to this upper channel that you see up there? We'll have to wait and see. But right now, the 200 level is providing some serious resistance. Let's go look at Tesla. Tesla has finally broken out of its lower highs and lower lows, as we see here. Tesla has gone up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row. Actually, longer than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in a row, just like the market. It came from 200. Now it's up to 260. Got solid rejection there at 260. Look at the weekly candle here. No body on it at all. Totally undecided. Let's look at the daily. Tesla is still above 250 on the daily time frame. It has broken out of this downward trend line and has created a higher high. If we hold 250 and stay above it, that is extremely bullish for Tesla. The 250 price tag will have to be watched, and that'll let you know if we're going to fall right back down into this area here, or we're going to use 250 as support as it's been, and rocket up to 270. Have to wait and see what next week holds. This is Mike, Tactical Stock Scalper, out.